Hi everyone, it's Vicky. In this video I'm working on a diamond painting decoration, and that's what it's supposed to look like when it's done. And this was really quick. It took about an hour to do. I put my video on time lapse so it goes very quickly. As you can see, it comes with all the regular items. So it comes with the tray and pen and some wax. And it also comes with some chain and some split rings, so I can turn it into a hanging decoration at the end. It came with some different sized drills or diamonds. I haven't worked with the big ones before, and I haven't worked with the ones that make the little toes, so they're like teardrop shape. They were quite interesting to work with. The base of this is made of perspex, so it's quite a thick plastic. And when I finished the diamond painting, I used a diamond painting sealer just to seal in all the outside edges because they were still sticky. And I left this to dry overnight. It looks so cute. And I'm going to attach some split rings and the chain, and then I'll be able to hang it. And you can't really see the holes from this side, but from this side you can see there's a hole here and there's a hole here. And I just saw that it's got hooks on the end, little lobster clasps, so it makes it very easy to attach. Just going to open that side and clip it on here. And there's my little hanger, and I'll put a shot now of it hanging on a door, but I think that looks so cute. So thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.